Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to handle the background check for pending drivers on Uber Eats. This message usually appears when a driver's account is under review. You cannot change this directly, it's a platform side process. First, wait a few hours and try placing the order again. A different driver may be available. Next, head over to your app store, then search for Uber Eats and make sure that you've updated the Uber app to the latest version to avoid glitches. Then, select a nearby restaurant or a different delivery time to get a driver. If the issue continues, contact Uber Eats support through help, delivery issue. That's how to fix the Uber Eats background check pending issues for drivers. Subscribe for more quick fixes.